Hello gentlemen, how are you? Today I will discuss engineering measurements. This is very important for the pipe fitters. I, I have made this presentation to make you understand easily. Before going further, kindly subscribe my channel. Let's go. These are the required skills and knowledge need to understand. Objectives. See this picture. Definition of accurate. What happens if you don't measure accurately? Think. Field measurements. These are the pictures of field measurements. These are the measuring instruments. You have to understand this. This is measuring tape. How to read the measuring tape. Accuracy. The tip of the tape is riveted in place and slightly the length of the slides is the same as the thickness of the tip to allow the users to make accurate measurements. With a sliding tip, you get the same measurement hooking the end of the tape over the piece of lumber or butting tip into a corner. Making center. Making center, you have to make V. Marking for cut. Compass and protractor. Calculation tools. Tri-square. Tri-square is generally used for checking right angle of an object or models. Uses of tri-square. Here vertical, horizontal. This one is engineering scraper. Outside micrometer. Parts of a micrometer. Outside micrometer gauge. In inches and metric. Upper one is inches, down one is metric. Inside micrometer. This is used for inside measurement. Parts of the inside micrometer. Depth micrometer. Parts of the micrometer. Digital micrometer. Combination digital. Can you recognize? Can you recognize which type of micrometer is this? Please write your answers down in the comment box. Micrometer dose. Using an outside micrometer. Using an outside micrometer. Using a depth micrometer. Using a depth micrometer, you can check how to use this. Using inside micrometer, you can see here. What is the name of this micrometer in this picture? Kindly write in the comment box. Steps to reading micrometer. Step 1, calibrate micrometer. Step 2, identify scale. Step 3, identify range size. Where to find the range? C. Imperial equivalent would be 0 to 1 inch. Step 4, reading the sleeve and thimble. Simple reading. 0 to 1 inch outside micrometer. Second number. Third. Fourth. Recording micrometer from simple reading. First. You can calculate like this. Telescopic gaze. These are telescopic gaze. You can use this telescopic gaze like this. Small holes gaze, measuring small inside diameter. Measuring small holes gaze. Divider or caliper. Using divider or caliper, inside, outside. Standard vernier caliper. Why using vernier caliper? Reading that can be taken. Dia vernier caliper, digital vernier caliper, dial indicator, calibration dia indicator, digital dia indicator with a strand, using of dia indicator, thickness measuring device, metric feeler gauge, imperial feeler gauge, using feeler gauge, wire gauge and uses, taper gauge, uses for pipe fit up, straight edge, using a straight edge. Thank you. If you have any question, kindly write in the comment box. Thank you. Thanks a lot.